To understand the degree of a polynomial, we need to understand the degree of a monomial. The degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables. For example, let's say we have 5x squared y. In this case, the exponents are 2 and 1. Now the sum of these exponents, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So therefore, the degree of this monomial is 3. If we have a single variable monomial, like negative 3x raised to 4, then we only have one exponent. If there is only one variable, the degree is the exponent of the variable. In this case, the exponent is 4. So therefore, the degree of this monomial is 4. If we have, for example, 2x, we know that the exponent here is 1. So therefore, the degree of this monomial is 1. Now let's say we have 4x raised to 0, y raised to 0. Now in this case, the exponents are 0 and 0. And the sum of these exponents is 0. So therefore, the degree of this monomial is 0. But take note that x raised to 0 and y raised to 0 are equal to 1. Therefore, the expression reduces to 4, which is a constant. This tells us that the degree of a constant is 0. So now that we know the degree of a monomial, we can now define the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the degree of the monomial with the highest degree. For example, let's say we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. This polynomial has three terms: x squared, 2x, and 1. And the corresponding degrees are 2, 1, and 0. Now the highest among these is 2. So therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 2. If we have xz minus x cubed y plus 2yz, then the terms are xz, negative x cubed y, and 2yz. And the corresponding degrees are 2, 4, and 2. The highest of these is 4. So therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 4. Now let's say we have 3x minus 2. In this case, we have two terms, 3x and negative 2. And their corresponding degrees are 1 and 0. Now the highest of these is 1. So therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 1. Now lastly, let's say we have xy minus z cubed. In this case, the terms are xy and negative z cubed, and the corresponding degrees are 2 and 3. The highest of these is 3. So therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 3. So that is the degree of a polynomial. Thanks for watching.